logical thing to do. Don't trip.
Oh my god, I thought that said 905,000 for a second. Folks, this is back to back to back. Back again 3 times. Morning long. Exited during, at the end of the stream. Bang, that was like 73,000. Afternoon short. Bang, that was I didn't take the screenshot. This screenshot, it was at 93,000, but I made like 54,000 on ETH and like 20,000. I made 50 something thousand on one and 20,000 on the other. And so we'll call it just 70 grand to be conservative. And then now, so what did we, man, just back to back to back, baby. What?
Wish I had one too. Making plays on trading view. Waiting on a blue triangle. I just call it blues cool. Portfolio diversified. Keep my balance classified. Get the look you terrified. But when you did, you almost died. It's all good before you went to sleep. Woke up to a surprise. Couldn't believe your eyes. What the hell did your money go? You like, oh my God. What the fuck happened? Bitcoin dumping in my sleep. Woke up to a market sweep.
Anyways, been playing fucking World of Warcraft, keeping on these trades. Busy day to day. Hella busy day. Didn't stop. From early morning to the night at that. To the night at that. Yeah, man, what are you playing? I'm playing, but been playing both ways. We were long in the morning, then banged her out, took the money, got in short, banged her out, took the money, flopped back in long, banging it out. Man, I had to take it. Had to take it. It's been hard to find. You know, it's been fun fucking sitting, waiting, looking for something good, finding something good. You gotta shoot the shot when it's there. You shoot the shot when it's there. It's right here in front of us. Right here in front of us. Had to fucking shoot it. Feels free. Shib on fire. Holy shit. What? Oh my god. Fuck, I should have bought some. Did I buy any? Did I allocate? Man, I don't know. I don't know if I did. We're gonna find out right now. Man, what did I say on Around the Poop Chain at the very end? I said, it's got to come down a little bit for a little bit, and then I'm going to be looking to get in and ride this pony just like the rest of us, man. I'm telling you, man, what the fuck am I doing here? Fuck, I didn't buy any. Oh well. Wow, this came up fast. 130 grand off this. Shit, that means I'm up like 270,000 in just about 24 hours. Just shy of 24 hours, right at 24 hours. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo-hoo. Woo-hoo. Man, this still might not be over, but I played it safe and took my money. This VWAP, look, this was coming down, shorted, nailed inside of here, took the money. That's the beautiful thing about leverage, baby. And these prices are moving, man, halfway down on Around the Poop Chain. This was exactly the fucking target. Exactly the perfect target. I didn't really think it was going to come all the way down. It was possible, but right here. Tell me I'm lying. Tell me I'm lying.
One more, maybe a little pullback. I think momentum's going to be curving back over. Maybe we have a pullback down to 54K or maybe somewhere in between. So that's where I'm going to be looking to get in. I missed this entry because I was partying all weekend, but I'm going to be keeping my eye for one more drop to Bitcoin, 54.50, somewhere in between, and then we'll see what it looks like. And I want to wrap.
Hang on. We were looking for this or this. Damn, is it crashing already? We're gonna have to analyze this. Listen, this might be take it and run too, but oh my gosh, it was just looking too good. It was looking too good. It was looking too good. The 7 minute, the 20 minute has been paying. The 20 minute been paying. The 10 minute, all of it, all of it. Man, played off this momentum hook, got out, got back in. Course could have got back in at a better time. It could always be better, but it's good enough. Oh my gosh, look at this. Look at this. Beautiful, nice little curved VWAP right there. Followed by beautiful money flow coming up, fighting the momentum coming up. RSIs. Look at these RSIs and how much better they looked than the previous ones. See, these were, remember, these RSIs, when they're separated, it's weak. Conjoined, strong. We are seeing gaining signs of strength. I'm excited. I'm telling you, and it's the beginning. We're almost at the beginning of the month. First 2 weeks, the first 2 weeks of the month, killer. Last 2 weeks, shitter. We're just about to finish with the last 2 weeks, shitter weeks. And we're going in the first 2 weeks. We can get something right here, man. We can get something. I need to get some coffee.
You. Yes. You could be a winner of maybe it's just a shitter $100 worth of Bitcoin. Could be $1,000 worth of Bitcoin or somewhere in between. You.
I'll be right back.
Yes. You could be a winner of maybe it's just a shitter $100 worth of Bitcoin. Could be $1,000 worth of Bitcoin or somewhere in between. How many games we will do, how many winners, we don't know. Nobody knows.
I'm focused and waiting for resistance to break through. I'm focused and waiting for resistance to break through. I'm focused and waiting for resistance to break through. I'm focused and waiting for resistance to break through. Breakthrough. Resistance need to break through. If you trade with market cipher, then they can't break you. Breakthrough. Resistance need to break through. If you trade with market cipher, then they can't break you. Trade with confidence, dodge the consequence. Crypto dominance. You gotta have heart, man. You gotta have heart. Trade with confidence, dodge the consequence. Crypto dominance. You gotta have heart with this crypto, man. You gotta have heart. Stop loss, boss. Call it preventive maintenance. You gotta be smart, man. I'm the stop loss boss. Call it preventive maintenance. Everything you need is there, man. I know you resonate with this flow that I demonstrate. All up in the market like Pinocchio, watch me penetrate. Let it marinate. Profits growing like the bud do. Hodl all my assets like the Grinch. Merry Christmas, dude. Making major moves like the market on a bullish day. Taking profits, keep a couple coins in the ashtray. Know it sounded cliche. Cold wallet lingo. Crypto face, giving back. Come and play some bingo. 10-4, copy that and I ain't talking Kinko. Shit tokens at gmail.com. If you got the winning ticket, then come and get you some. We just tryna have some fun. Whether it's a bear market or a bull run. I'm bullish, see the trigger, better pull it. I'm bearish, I'm bullish, see the trigger, better pull it. I'm bearish, I'm bullish, see the trigger, better pull it. I'm bearish, I'm bullish, see the trigger, better pull it. I'm focused and waiting for resistance to break through. I'm focused and waiting for resistance to break through. Money on my mind. Focused and waiting for resistance to break through. I'm focused and waiting for resistance to break through. Breakthrough. Resistance need to break through. If you trade with market cipher, then they can't break you. Breakthrough. Resistance need to break through. If you trade with market cipher, then they can't break you. Trade with confidence, dodge the consequence. Crypto dominance. You gotta have heart, man. You gotta have heart. Trade with confidence, dodge the consequence. Crypto dominance. Scared man don't make no money. Stop loss, boss. Call it preventive maintenance. Gotta be smart with this crypto shit. I'm the stop loss boss. Call it preventive maintenance. Put the stop loss on, man. Huh? I know you resonate with this flow that I demonstrate. All up in the market like Pinocchio, watch me penetrate. Let it marinate. Profits growing like the bud do. Hodl all my assets like the Grinch. Merry Christmas, dude. Making major moves like the market on a bullish day. Taking profits, keep a couple coins in the ashtray. Know it sounded cliche. Cold wallet lingo. Crypto face, giving back. Come and play some bingo. 10-4, copy that and I ain't talking Kinko. Shit tokens at gmail.com. If you got the winning ticket, then come and get you some. We just tryna have some fun. Whether it's a bear market or a bull run.
Don't trip. Trip, body dip, get my chips and dip. Hot ones and watch me flip. In and out, I'm stacking pips. Walking, looking bearish. Body dip, body dip, body dip, body dip, body dip, body dip, body dip. Don't trip. Sour cream and onion dip. Scoop it with some ruffle chips. Sink 'em like Titanic ship. Bartender, here's a tip. This crypto face is the truth. Don't can even show you proof. This is market cipher school. Made you say, ooh, wish I had one too. Making plays on trading view, waiting on a blue triangle. I just call it blues cool. Portfolio diversified, keep my balance classified. Scared to look, you terrified, but when you did, you almost died. Was all good before you went to sleep. Woke up to a surprise, couldn't believe your eyes. What the hell did your money go for? You like, oh my God, what the fuck happened? Bitcoin dumping in my sleep. Woke up to a market sweep.
All right. We got our breakfast of champions. Oh. All righty. How's everybody doing? You know, man. Crow. Let's take a look at Crow here. What's going on, Crow? Man, how many people? I'm not saying this to toot my own horn. I just don't know how many other people are out there doing it. How many people can fucking just say they go out, they make $250,000 sitting on their ass playing World of Warcraft, half-ass, not even like fucking, just half-ass and when I mean half-ass, I mean just like laid back, take it easier, so let's fucking fire off a barrel, whammy. Crypto.com. Crypto.com. I had a consultation tonight, actually. Had a little consultation tonight. And, or last night. and we were looking at Crow, and yeah, I hear you. I hear you. So we'll see what happens if this can, you know what I'm saying? This is exactly what we expected. It's just played out fucking perfectly, man. It was either come down to the middle or come down to the bottom. And as of right now, it came down to the middle. I mean, shoot, you know. How lucky are we, folks? It feels good when you're in a nice little confident window.
The bank's putting a strong arm on old Jackie boy.
Oh, whoops,
I don't know.
this isn't it. There it is. And we talked about it on the stream, I believe, but we were able to punch it in on the poop chain. Let me go to the back. And I didn't do really that good on this episode, I feel like. But
chill zones and stuff. So I'm trying to check out their whole private jet thing, because private jet prices are going up.
Saw one form in there. It was Zoom.
So that's where I'm going to be looking to get in. I missed this entry.
Is that the 2-day?
You can ask Garrett that question, but on the chat, I'm
no,
liking
yeah,
the
never mind.
candles.
It's
I'm
really
not really
starting to
seeing
look.
any. I think honestly, when I look at like the shorter time frame right now, I'm actually looking for one more maybe little pullback. I think momentum's going to be curving back over. Maybe we have a pullback down to 54K or maybe somewhere in between. So that's where I'm going to be looking to get in. I missed this entry because I was partying all weekend, but I'm going to be keeping my eye for one more drop to Bitcoin, 54.50, somewhere in between, and then we'll see what it looks like. And I want to ride this pony too, just like everybody else.
motherfuck, I was on mute. Anyways. Anyways, I don't know. I'm just happy right now, that's all. And yeah. And man, this Black Rifle coffee shit ain't no joke. This when I've been down and out, I busted one of these open, and man, these things work. How's Ripple doing? Okay, good for Ripple. Great for Ripple. What about Shitter Cardano? Everything else having it stay. Are they too? There you go, Shitter Cardano. What about Solano? Anywho. Man, this thing was cruising, looking strong, and we saw the signs. Nice look at the 5 hour, nice little 5 hour, just playing them momentum waves, baby. Just playing the momentum. Beautiful trigger wave. We got a trigger wave on the 45-minute, probably on the... Man, look at the money flow here on Bitcoin. VWAP, decent little VWAP right there. Momentum curve, VWAP money flow. This is just nice. This is just a nice baby turtles all around. Baby turtle money flow, you know. Even zoomed in here. Our RSIs nice and tight, just a nice come up all around. VWAP steady hanging on the upside, and man, we are right at the spider line again. I don't know, we'll see if we can break through. I think it is absolutely possible. We got one problem though. Look at the pre-markets. Last time I checked, they looked bad. Okay, not as bad as they were. Pre-markets were down 500 points. Now Dow's down 300 points. It was 500, down 300. This George Macron bullshit is a big hoax of bullshit. Viruses weaken as they mutate. They get more contagious, but as far as the impact and strength and the
Fatality. Fatality.
weaken.
I figured we should too.
Time to choose.
Fatality.
Yes, sirree. Yes, sirree.
We should too.
Yes, sirree. Man, damn. I was not, and you know, it's when you don't expect it, when you're not,
If Jesus Christ himself had prophets, I figured we should too.
at least for me, the whole goal setting thing was never really like, never really worked. Never really like set certain goals. It was just like if you do the right thing, the right things will happen. And in fact, for me, setting goals has actually
We should too.
resulted in more loss, probably, than gain. Because it's like you're trying too hard. And it clouds your judgment, you know?
We should too. We should too.
Interested to see how these pre-markets continue to play out. Again, they were down. Dow was down $500, or excuse me, 500 points.
We should too.
and it's creeping back. The fucking medical companies had a nice pump. Today is the last day. We're extending our cyber special market cipher fucking Thanksgiving PD the pencil neck turkey pencil neck special. Is today's the last day. Make sure the prices are what they should be here. Yeah. Today's the last day for these prices, then it goes back to normal.
Time to choose.
If Jesus Christ himself had prophets, I figured we should too.
And you know, I have to pat myself on the back for sticking with what I'm trying to preach in this current environment, which is, at least for me, not the time to be sitting and holding on trades, and not be just sitting there wishing and hoping for a big one, but just taking you take what it gives you, and then somehow magically after 3 of those little trades that you took profit on, they add up to the big trade you originally wanted that you wouldn't have gotten in the first place. And that's exactly what's happened in the previous 24 hours for me. Yep.
We should too.
What do you mean Mike Perry after fight MC shout out was pretty cool? Did he fucking say, what did he say market cipher in one of his interviews?
If Jesus Christ himself had prophets,
Cuz they didn't like put the microphone, they didn't give him the microphone like after the fight in the ring, but I know he had a bunch of interviews. I saw like 1 or 2. I didn't see him. Me and him spoke today though. We chatted for a good little while.
I figured we should too.
On the Schmo interview, I thought I saw that. Maybe I didn't see him. Let's pull it up.
We should too.
Okay. Is it my parent amped up following split decision?
This is a Schmo with the pro with the winner platinum.
Is it
fight
this
Perry
one?
here for Triad Combat, man. Your initial thoughts coming outside of the Triad?
Pressure. I came to fight. I came to push him back. I put myself in dangerous situations, which is why I was getting touched. I went for it. He had a strong guard. He sat back and he waited all night long. And that's why I got the win, because I brought the fight. He didn't.
And when you heard that final decision from the judge, man, and you were elated, what was the first thing that you thought about?
Respect to Michael Seals. He brought a great fight. I brought my pressure forward. I didn't care what he had, what he threw. I came to be tougher than him and to be gritty and to push him back and give the fight to the people.
Will we see Platinum Mike Perry back inside the triad?
Absolutely, I love this shit.
Final message for all the Platinum fans out there worldwide.
Stay tuned, baby. We got more to do. I'm in the gym. I'm working technique boxing. Shout out JT. Shout out my sponsor, Marcus Cipher. Shout out to the Schmo, man. Thank you guys.
We'll take it, baby. We'll fucking take it. I didn't see that. We'll take it. I guess you guys are right.
We should do.
And you know, he said sponsor, not sponsors. You know what I'm saying? It was all us, baby. And yeah, no, man, we're all. If you weren't a fan of him before, you know, you are now.
Fatality.
See, cause that's where the party's at. See, cause that's where the party's at. See, cause that's where the party's at. And you find out if you do that.
Now the question is, you know, do we take profit again a third time? Do we we're at the spider line, you know what I'm saying? So far it's led us right. And so far this is actually the best one of the three. We had like 74, 72, and now this is like 120 or something. 40 plus 75. Called 100 with fees. So 270s plus 100. That's 200. That's $250,000. Holy fuck. Wow. And I'm doing it with less, too. I'm doing it with less, man. I withdrew a fat amount, cranked up the leverage a little bit, and I'm telling you, it's magic. It's magic when you just take the money after the move. And you're gonna miss out on your... so many times you're gonna be like, oh, I didn't get out the exact perfect time, but it's a little different when you got these spider lines too. Yeah, we peeped at Shib. I'm happy for Shib. I wish I would have bought my first little my allocation, but it really don't matter. It's all good. I just made $250,000 in less than 24 hours. You know what I'm saying? So what am I gonna do? Complain? Is it? Damn, should I get on, man, Solano? You know I've been wanting some of that. Okay, it's at 5-6%, so we didn't miss out too much there. Luna, good job, Luna. Tezos, good for that shit. Nice, good, nice books. Nice money on the books. What the fuck is this? You know, things have been a little more choppy than what we usually like to see. But, you know, when you smush it, you see it. Support for merch on the website. There's an email down here, merch@marketciphertrain.com. We got to make this a little more fucking clear. Let me fucking, I'm gonna have them change this today. This needs to be on top and say support is merch at marketciphertrading.com. If you're new to the channel and you don't know what the spider lines, where they come from, you can go to marketciphertrading.com to the tutorials. Fuck it. Let's just do. We'll redraw some. The videos here. How to spider line. Don't lose it all. How to spider line. But I'm thinking here. I'm thinking about my trades for a moment. Yeah. Fuck. Man, time goes by fast. I think we got time to start trying to limit somehow. Hopefully. Can't even enjoy it on the stream for a little bit and rest in our glory. Okay, these should get taken. Discord included in Market Cipher? Yes, but it is a privilege, which means that it's not Discord access ain't a part of what you're paying for. So if you break one of the rules, and there are rules when it comes to our community, and if you break them and you get kicked out, it is what it is. You lost your privilege. So don't be a douchebag. Read the fucking rules. And we're all in it together. what is this? The 2 hour? Man. This VWAP's kind of a big deal. Tight trigger wave. That's tight RSIs. It's kind of a. This is that looks like we got a real shot at something. It's that there's probably gonna be we're facing a little bit of turbulence, which is totally natural. It takes time. It doesn't mean we have to break through it right now, but it can be a little turbulence and then break through it. So we shaved a little bit off the top to cover those fees. And you know, folks, I'm a big proponent on you don't have to fucking do everything all at once all the time. You can chop it up. You close a fourth of the trade and it keeps going up. You secured some profits. Your mental is so much better. Or you secured some profits and the price goes the opposite way. You go, okay, well, thank God I closed some profits. That's what happens the majority of the time. Majority of the time, you're right, and you would be exiting at the top and or bottom. Right on, philosopher. Welcome to the crusade.
Grooving, keep on moving, flying, stop your crying, choosing while you're cruising. Music is the answer to your problems.
Now,
Moving, then you can solve them. If you feel that you can't take no more, and your feet are headed for the door, gotta keep on dancing and prancing, grooving, keep on moving, flying.
testing 1 2 1 2 testing.
Choosing while you're cruising. Music is the answer to your problems. Keep on moving, then you can solve them. If you feel that you can't take no more, and your feet are headed for the door, gotta keep on dancing and prancing, grooving, keep on moving, flying, stop your crying, choosing while you're cruising. Music is the answer to your problems. Keep on moving, then you can solve them. If you feel that you can't take no more, and your feet are headed.
Not really feel.
Yes.
We need more music. We gotta. So we need Cyborg to start cranking out some more. You know what I'm saying? We need more. Need more.
Christ himself had prophets, I figured we should
Yeah, a little turbulence, not out of the ordinary. The price has to fluctuate, go up and down, but these two levels, man, this is where we were looking to put in some action, you know.
I figured we should too. We should too.
Man, she's fighting though. This is interesting. This order book looks different. It's acting different in a good way. It's acting different in a good way.
I figured we should too. We should too. We should too. If Jesus Christ himself had prophets, I figured we should too. We should too. I figured we should too. We should too.
Just got market cipher, brother. Appreciate your business. Welcome to the crusade. Keep it simple, man. Just like when you're shopping. When I was telling my consultation today, I said it's just like when you go to the car lot. The right car speaks to you. It's the same thing with the trade. Past 24 hours, these trades spoke to me. You couldn't not do it.
We should too. We should too.
Man, it is pushing literally. I mean, how much more on the...
If Jesus Christ himself had prophets, I figured we should too. We should
She's pushing. Look at this 10-minute. Look at the 10-minute on Bitcoin. This looks amazing. This is textbook basic strategy, market cipher, everything we want to see down here, from the momentum waves to the money flow, circular in nature, coming up, just breaching the RSIs, going up, VWAP, a nice little VWAP, slight outward curve coming up, and yep.
I figured we should too.
You know, it's with shitcoins, folks. The truth is my mid max is best with Bitcoin, Ethereum overall. We trade shitcoins once in a while, but
We should too. If Jesus Christ himself had prophets, I figured we should too.
you smell a little listen, if we follow,
I figured we should too.
if we follow, you know what it's doing now, nice little chai, and each humpback technically gets a little smaller. So like I said, I mean, if my most bullish, I would say, like the most hope for big, I think it could mid 70s. I think it could have the time to get there. It's gone up 80% in 51 days before. It went up 70% in 30 days. About 60% in 30 days.
We should too.
You know, we'll see. Time will tell. And either way, boys and girls, we're gonna do our best to get ours. Whoops. Ooh.
What's the truth, damn it?
I'm afraid! Alright? You wanna hear me say it? You wanna break me down? Alright, I'm afraid! Scared money don't make no money. A scared man don't make no money. Scared money don't make no money. A scared man don't make no money. Scared money don't make no money. But you live to trade another day, live to make another play. Patience is a virtue, finna cash out any day. Stacked it to the ceiling, now I park my cars in valet. Move, bitch, get out the way. Charging at you like a bull. Call me Scottie Pippen, cause these pips, they keep my wallet full. Bank account on overflow. Now I'm down in Tokyo. Me and Flopping Groper stung the market like a Scorpio. Bullish like a rodeo. Feel like I hit the lottery. Crypto face, man, already making history. Yep, you gon' remember me from trading pairs perfectly. My faith in market cipher B. Double hump diversity. Why you trade nervously? Adding to your misery. Gonna take some notes. Better yet, why don't you follow me? Stay tuned, I'ma let you see how I rake these millies in. Say this video and make a playlist, call it Bullish Trends. Scared money don't make no money. Don't be scared, make a move. Scared man don't make no money. You ain't got shit to lose. Scared money don't make no money. Go on and put that trade in. Scared man don't make no money. It's time to get paid. Scared money don't make no money. Don't be scared, make a move. Scared man don't make no money. You ain't got shit to lose. Scared money don't make no money. Go on and put that trade in. A scared man don't make no money. It's time to get paid. A scared man don't make no money. That's the way the game go. Gotta make investments if you wanna see your money grow. Scared man don't make no money. Go on and put that money up. Invest it in yourself. Now you got your own checks and studs. Scared man don't make no money. Signed up for market cipher. Lifetime membership. Now you at the dealership. Pulled off the lot in a futuristic spaceship. Paid it off immediately. That's what I call ownership. Scared to lose a stack. You might never make it back. Law of attraction. What you think is what you gonna track. All at a casino, scared gambling. Now you just got cracked. Can't go home broke. Heard you told your girl you got jacked. Butterflies in your stomach every time you wanna spin. Half scared, half courageous. Man, the two don't blend. All or nothing, pick a side. Let your heart be your guide. Heard you was indecisive. Need to learn to decide. Scared money don't make no money. Don't be scared, make a move. Scared man don't make no money. You ain't got shit to lose. Scared money don't make no money. Go on and put that trade in. Scared man don't make no money. It's time to get paid. Scared money don't make no money. Don't be scared, make a move. Scared man don't make no money. You ain't got shit to lose. Scared money don't make no money. Go on and put that trade in. Scared man don't make no money. It's time to get paid. Get paid. CryptoFace, crypto.com.
Hello, everyone.
Daylight come and we drop a D-bomb. Pay, we say 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 pay, yo. Kick your ass, then we gonna come home. George Bush say that revenge come. Payback come and we drop D-bomb. Load them bombs till the morning come. Airplane come and we drop D-bomb. Come, Mr. Taliban, turn over Bin Laden. Colin Powell gonna bomb his home. Come, Mr. Taliban, turn over Bin Laden. Payback come and we drop D-bomb. Lift one bomb, two bomb, hit the floor. Payback come. 6 bomb, 7 bomb, 8 bomb more. Cruise missile knocking at your door. Come, Mr. Taliban, turn over Bin Laden. Payback come and we drop D-bomb. Lift one bomb, two bomb, hit the floor. Payback come and we drop D-bomb. 6 bomb, 7 bomb, 8 bomb more. Cruise missile knocking at your door. Come, Mr. Taliban, turn over Bin Laden. Colin Powell gonna bomb his home. Come, Mr. Taliban, turn over Bin Laden. Payback come and we drop D-bomb. Lift one bomb, two bomb, hit the floor. Payback come and we drop D-bomb. 6 bomb, 7 bomb, whistle knocking at your door. Pay-oh, we said pay-oh. Kick your ass, then we won. Come home.
Yeah, folks, that's an instant classic. I don't really have a plan here, you know, we're just kind of existing. I actually have World of Warcraft open right now. What do you guys want to talk about besides asking me to look at, like, shit coins? I actually don't want to talk about anything, to be honest with you.
You see the market going up, 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 up. That means
Yeah, Andy, I'll release details on that when the time comes.
alter ego. Satoshi see the market going up, 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 up. That means it's finna go down. Alter ego. Satoshi Nakamoto. Alter ego. Satoshi Nak. The market going up, the market going down. Keep on playing with my emotions. All I want is some more tokens. Hard for me to meditate, cause I'm always in motion. So grateful for this knowledge and then have to go to college. I hope that you acknowledge I'll be all about the money flow. Looking for some crypto I can buy for the low, low. Market dumped all on me, I consider that a low blow. Forgot to set a stop loss, man, you slipping, that's a no, no. Working with this leverage got me all up in the bank vault. Put in all this work, you can't be mad, it ain't my fault. I've been smashing Rari, doing donuts on the asphalt. Anti-laser radar shield, nope, I will not get caught. Neighbors taking pictures when I pull up out the garage. 300K in bells and whistles, this is not a facade. Got the groupies going crazy, wanna slob on my knob. I can't teach you everything, no sir, that ain't my job. The market going up, up.
Ooh, that resonates. You know, so I can't teach you every motherfucking thing. That ain't my job. You know what I'm saying? I can do what I can. I do what I can.
Neighbors taking pictures when I pull up out the garage. 300K in bells and whistles, this is not a facade. Got the groupies going crazy, wanna slob on my knob. I can't teach you everything, no sir, that ain't my job. The market going up, 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 up. That means it's finna go down. Alter ego, Satoshi Nakamoto. Alter ego, Satoshi Nakamoto. See the market going up, 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 up. That means it's finna go down. Alter ego, Satoshi Nakamoto. Alter ego, Satoshi Nakamoto. Crypto face, alter ego, Satoshi Nakamoto. Market going up and down just like a
he's doing much better. He isn't coughing and wheezing nearly as much as he used to, knock on wood, so I think he's finally kicking it.
Trading is my specialty. Nobody can really mess with me. When it comes to BTC, yep, I got the recipe. In and out carefully.
Thanks for your donation, buddy, but I do not release those details. Would not, will not. Small amount. What I can tell you is what's in my trading account is an amount that I could afford to lose, and it will not affect my life. I could literally wipe my ass with it and flush it down the toilet. Not saying that a loss is a loss and it would sting. I don't care who you are, where it came from. I've never changed. My idea with money's never changed. Like, I hate it when people are like, I know it's not love money to you, but you know, I'm in a little fight. I know it's not a lot of money to you compared. It's like, man, what the fuck? You know what I'm saying? What are you talking about? You know what I'm saying? As far as like the value of the amount. Yeah.
See the engine, game so cold, might as well you be the market going up, 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 up. That means it's finna go down. Alter ego, Satoshi Nakamoto. Alter ego, Satoshi Nakamoto. See the market going up, 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 up. That means it's finna go down. Alter ego, Satoshi Nakamoto. Alter ego, Satoshi Nakamoto.
Hang on. Let's see here. Yeah, boy, I tell you, this world's crazy, folks. It's a crazy world. I'd like it to pump again right now. That's, you know, sitting here staring is boring.
Despite how tough you are, whoever you are, people say you can't do this, you can't do that, and I have eventually done what I had to do, and just,
Taking drugs. Staying out for days on
Yeah, this, I think this is the song we're gonna keep on, because I feel good. I can't lie. I can't lie and say there isn't a aura of fatigue, but I am carried by my joy and this Black Rifle coffee. This shit really actually works. Most of the time, coffee, I just drink it and it doesn't really do much. It definitely helps when you know, things are going well. I mean, come on now. You tell me the spider line. You tell me about them spider lines. Now we're talking, baby. Come on back. There's no way that everything goes up and Crow doesn't. No way. Everything else can go down and Crow can go up, but no way is everything else gonna go up and Crow ain't. I'm telling you, I believe. Fuck. Oh shit, it's hitting me. How am I gonna stop drinking coffee for a few days? How the hell am I gonna wake up for 3 days? I'll be in a coma.
Staying out for days on end.
Oh. Yeah, damn, look what time it is. Shit, yeah, the market's, let's go back. They were at -5, then -300. Let's see what the Dow's at now. -350. 350, -350.
Taking drugs. Staying out for days.
If there's one thing that I think, as far as turbulence goes, could potentially be this VWAP wave. So let's keep our eye on it. What's it looking like? Okay, we have so far slightly decent news. Slightly decent news with this little VWAP wave, because it is looking like it is slightly inward curved rather than outward curved. Outward curve is stronger. Because the thing, if it's outward curved, then it's most likely going to continue to curve that direction, which in this case would be down. But if it's inward curved, it is more likely to stay that inward curve and come back up. And that's why we look at inwards or outwards curves, not only on the VWAP, but all these oscillators and charts and shit. Yes, I have, Jacob. I actually had some of that coffee in Bali. Yeah, big time skeeve. It is big time fucking strong. Yeah, they feed it to these big rat looking things and they shit it out. And then you drink it. Yeah. I've drunk some of that. Oh, thank you for your donation. Goes to charity. Appreciate it, Phil. Appreciate the kind words, brother. statistic with people who buy market cipher. Actually, yeah, they're a little old from 2 old surveys, but pretty sure they're about the same. I need to do another survey again, but it was something like 63% of market cipher users had less than 2 years of trading experience. Of that 63%, it was like 62% of the 63% had less than 6 months of trading experience, which is kind of overall crypto trading in general. It's much easier to access. All you need is an email, unlike, you know, Chucky Schwab, or fucking you need to hook up your bank account, go through a book, or go through all the rules and their UI that's confusing, and all their fancy words for the simplest strikes and calls and puts and shuts and puts. Talk about shit in your coffee, a fucking lizard shitting in your coffee. That's basically what that is. Let's go, baby. Come on, let's go. I thought that was it. Come on, baby. Let's go. 4611, she's a holding spot.
Eventually done what I had to do, and just
If Jesus Christ himself had prophets, I figured we should too. We should too. We should too. I figured we should
I'm telling you, she's I'm telling you.
we should too. I figured we should too. We should too.
What the fuck? Okay, it's still working.
We should too.
The YouTube was tripping out. What time frame is this? The 8-minute on Ethereum. Nice little potential VWAP money flow coming down. Yeah, this probably, we might, you know, I don't know. Either we're gonna chill kind of sideways and eventually break through, or we might just, you know, I don't have the answers. Which is why we take fucking profits and not care. We don't care. What's going on with, let's go ETH, baby. Let's fucking go. Let's go. Damn, how much, damn, we shouldn't have taken profits.
I figured we should too.
Oh shit.
We should do.
I have to reduce my risk level. I don't want to pay too much in fees that I'm not using.
We should do. We should do. We should do.
What the, Alright, Bitcoin, let's go, baby. Where's she at now? Hey, that looked like a little Chinese trumpet. Listen, folks, something's different. Something's different.
We should do.
Something's different about this. About just the way it's acting, the price action that are printing. Oh, well, look at this nice little 8-minute VWAP, man. These little 10-minute, 8-minute VWAPs just keep chipping away. They are chipping away. Me likey. I don't know how long I'm going to be able to keep this up. I'm starting to see things
We should do.
in one eye. I only have one eye open. The other one is closed unintentionally. Yar matey. This is where we separate the fucking men from the boys. We're like rangers. We're like rangers going through the 2-week hell camp where they starve them, dehydrate them, abuse them, confuse them, and to see how they perform. We're used to this shit. We perform under this shit. We thrive under this shit. I trade better with one eye open, half fucked up, and seeing things than I do normally.
We should do. We should do.
Back up to 58.2. Yeah.
If Jesus Christ himself had prophets, I figured we should do.
I know what I want to see. I think there's
I figured
a lot of new people, and I think a lot of people that are new here might have not seen something that our normal older people from our channel have.
we should do. We should do.
Whoops. Let me blacken the screen real quick to make sure this is introduced correctly. Actually, alright. Oh wow, look at her go, baby. I'm telling you, it's I may not be able to explain it, but it's I like what I see. I like what I see. What was that, Sid? Jeez. What's your problem, little boy? What did you eat today?
Hi, baby. What are you always doing on the computer all the time? It's been months. You're all pale and hunched over like Schmeagol from Lord of the Rings. And you haven't taken out the trash in 3 weeks. I'm worried I'm losing you, and I...
Worry not, my love. I am glad you finally asked. I trade cryptocurrencies, you see.
Cryptocurrency?
Yes, cryptocurrency. A cryptocurrency is just digital money. It uses decentralized blockchain technology as opposed to the current central banking system, and each person acts like their own bank, verifying each individual transaction on a public ledger, which is then cross-verified by everyone on the network in a matter of seconds, thus guaranteeing trust between private individuals and removing the need for a central government to ensure mutual exchange of goods and services between people. It's the future of money.
But none of that made any sense. Digital money, mutual exchange, and what even is a crypto? Decentralized blockchain? That's the least sexiest phrase I've ever heard.
You won't be saying that when you're sipping on pina coladas with me on the Oracle's private yacht, or picking out the travertine for that new open kitchen remodel you always wanted. Besides, it's way better than all the other terrible things I was doing on the internet before crypto came around.
I guess you're right, but I still want to know more. It's just so confusing still.
Oh, my dear, you have much to learn, but it's just too much to explain with mere words, so let me show you. There was an old lady who lived in a shoe. All her money was in crypto, and she didn't know what to do. She couldn't get a loan or finance her home. Then she lost her private keys in the move.
Private keys?
Private keys are just a 12-word phrase given to you whenever you download a crypto wallet. Most people just forget about them, but that's a grave mistake. Lose your private keys and you may never see your crypto again. Especially if you want to spill coffee on your laptop or jump into the hot tub with your smartphone in your pocket. Always keep your private keys written down and stored in a filing cabinet. Also, banks don't really like crypto since it steals such a volatile asset. So good luck getting a loan from a bank.
Oh my lordy, look at the price action. This is great. We're up. This is great.
Or a new apartment if all your money is in crypto.
This all sounds really dangerous already, but I guess that's a price we have to pay to have total financial freedom. Big Brother can hear us through our phones already. It's bad enough that all the money gets printed from one place.
Exactly, my dear. You're learning so fast.
Read me another story.
Okay. Humpty Dumpty sat on a lawn as the market dumped and had a great fall. The prices were dropping, the gropers were flopping. Humpty Dumpty got liquidated and lost it all. Along as the market dumped and had a great fall. The prices were dropping, the gropers were flopping. Humpty Dumpty got liquidated and lost it all.
Liquidated?
Getting liquidated just means you were using too much leverage trading your cryptos. Some people are too impatient to wait for the market to go up or down a lot, so they use leverage to get more profits from less price action. But be careful. Using leverage means you are borrowing other people's money, which means there must be some incentive for them to help you.
What's the incentive?
If you predict the market wrong and it goes the other direction, there's a liquidation price, where if it reaches that price, you lose all the money you put into that trade.
This just keeps getting crazier and crazier. And what the hell is flopping and groping?
It's how we express our love when the lights go out. Ooh, I'm just kidding, baby. It's just a term we use to describe all the people who are desperate to make back their lost crypto. They flood into our inboxes like locusts. It's impossible to help them all. But CryptoFace and I try our best with our BitMEX consultations to help them. We teach them about trade analysis, using leverage, Bollinger Bands, stop losses, market makers versus market takers, moving averages, etc. And if anyone wants to schedule a consultation, all they have to do is private message either me or CryptoFace for inquiries.
I won't even ask what all that other stuff is. Let's just read the next story.
Well, fine. Little Miss Muffet thought she was Warren Buffett and put her whole stack into Little Miss Muffet thought she was Warren Buffett and put Little Miss Muffet thought she was Warren Buffett and put her whole stack into Tron. It went down to 0.03 cents as she sold to pay rent. She went long as a Chinese ching chong.
I think
As a Chinese ching chong. As a Chinese ching chong. As a Chinese ching chong.
I think I understand. She put too much money in crypto?
Exactly, my dear. Crypto is still far away from mass adoption, and there's word going around of an altcoin apocalypse on the horizon. Shitcoins like Tron, Doge, Bitcoin, and Verge just aren't going to cut it in an overly saturated market. Right now, Bitcoin and Ethereum are really the only two cryptos with a promising future. Even Ethereum acts like a shitcoin sometimes, and even with 5x leverage you can still get liquidated within $5 in price movement.
Oh honey, I'm worried for you. I hope you're investing wisely.
You have nothing to fear. I also invest in cattle futures. I have a profitable YouTube channel, and I always use a stop loss with a clear entry and trade target, so I don't get Thanos and lose half my investment in one trade.
What's a Chinese ching chong?
A Chinese ching chong is just something Bitcoin always does when it shoots up in price. It always seems to have 4 impulse waves, fooling everyone into buying more and more crypto. Then when it's super overbought, the Chinese come and push their button, wrecking the entire market and liquidating everyone. And it's all completely legal.
Those dang Chinese.
I know, screw the Chinese.
But didn't she invest in Tron?
Well, yes, but Bitcoin has over 35% market dominance, so whenever Bitcoin goes up, all the other shitcoins go up too. Same when it goes down.
I think I understand everything now. Thank you for explaining everything so clearly. I think I want to invest in CryptoKitty.
No, one of us needs to still have money left over if all this goes to shit and the ETFs never get approved. And plus, you should just invest in a... Hello? Hello? Oh, well, good night, sweet princess. If you enjoyed our presentation, make sure you like and subscribe for more crypto-related content.
We should too.
ETH what? ETH 4637? Folks. We tried, I'm telling you, that little 8-minute, 10-minute, look, VWAPage, man, this shit is real, man. Oh, look at the 20-minute. Look what that one might be forming. Nice little curvature on this one too. It's Flopping Groper, my brother Flopping Groper Crypto Nursery Rhyme. Crypto, damn crow baby, let's go, man. what the heck? We're at a 94 plus 44. We're at like 140 grand. Little bit realized, most of it unrealized on this trade. We had back-to-back, basically slightly over 70k trades before this one, just within a 24-hour period, and I'm proud of myself. We're running on fumes. We're burning the midnight oil. Jeez, I'm telling you, I can just tell. We can just tell. You know. What's going on? What is this here? What is that? Oh, fuck. Guys, I think I gotta. I'm running out. I'm out of steam here, boys. So, anyways, we're gonna call it a stream. As much as I want to stay. Is Sheba still fucking going? Oh man, it is. Oh man, look at the 30-minute. right back down and just perfectly technically sat right at that this top line right there. Look at that. What is going on? Where's my chart go? Did I let me open it back up. I think I accidentally closed it. But am I mistaken, or did ETH just jump another fucking $30? I'll be dang. Oh, you know, I think I talked to some of the PHEMEX. I talked to the PHEMEX folks. I do believe they have a little trading competition coming up. It's been a little while since we had a team. But I don't know. Nothing I say right now. That's all I have to say about that. I don't really, you know, I got too much shit going on, you know what I'm saying? And the competitions that these exchanges throw, they're too long. And God forbid if I fuck up, or you know, it's used against me for 2 years. You're right. Funding neutral on ETH. What about Bitcoin? You're right. This is good even funding. Way to spot that one, brother. I don't, Whoa, ETH on the 15, buddy. You ain't lying. Did we look at this already? Look at that bleeding in. ETH on the 15. 8 minutes in. Boy, you ain't kidding. What is Bitcoin on the 15 too? Where is this coming from? It's like I haven't even seen this. It's like we open the fridge when we're hoping for some food to magically pop up, and it did. We were pleasantly surprised that there was a TV dinner in the back of the fridge we didn't know about. I keep fucking pressing buttons on accident and shit. Alrighty. Wow, damn. Ooh, Hex, yeah, what's going on with Hex, man? Oh, jeez. Yikes. Butt fucking pound. Wind pulse. Jeez, this chart, that chart's fucking depressing, man. Golly, that like made me even more tired. That made me like want to stop streaming.
love.